Hi guys, welcome to another week of What's for Dinner. I'm showing you 3 meals I made for dinner this week and 1 dessert. If you're new to my channel, I live alone and most of my recipes will be easy recipes. So let's get started. Alright guys, it's Monday night. My nephew's here and I decided to make chicken fajitas. So I have this pizza cheese blend, but I couldn't, the Mexican cheese blend was not on sale, so I got pizza. I got a red and yellow bell pepper, onion, flour tortilla. I swear to God, I bought chicken at Safeway today and I can't find it. But luckily I have some chicken in the freezer that I'm going to defrost, and that's what we're having tonight, guys. So my nephew's helping me cut the onion because I cut myself. Why? I just got these knives at Walmart. Don't worry, I'm not filming you. Oh, they're kind of small. Can you come back big like that?
Okay.
Well, kind of bigger because they're fajitas. So like, see how these are bigger? Like, Okay, I think I'll finish. Alright, chicken fajitas. My nephew helped me make them. Cheese with sour cream. We have a couple of salsas. Let me know how you like this, Matthew. Looks good. This chicken. Usually I cut the chicken up, but it's fine.
No, the chicken could cut you up.
Okay, whatever. There's some cheese.
Sour cream is so underrated.
I love sour cream. Sour cream.
Little. Out of all the Taco Bell hot sauces, mild has the most flavor.
Oh, you like mild? I like mild too. Yeah, there's that, and there's also this one. That's like the mild salsa, and then there's and that's like the that's a green salsa. I don't know if you can like that or not. Is it good? Like the, do you put it in your red sauce or just green sauce?
That's green.
Is it good? Is it spicy?
Give it a second.
Okay, let me know. I love this salsa. But I might add the green one as well. It's spicy?
No, not really.
Oh, that's good. Got some of this green sauce. Ooh. So I thought you would like this meal. That's why I made it. It's pretty easy.
He's so good.
It's good. Let's try the bite. Look at that. That is good. Wow. All right, guys. Tuesday night for dinner, we're just gonna have a simple veggie spaghetti. I got some spaghetti right here, and I got some of this Prego traditional spaghetti sauce. I'm gonna boil some spinach. I'm gonna saute some onion with some yellow and red bell pepper. And yeah, just a simple meal tonight. All right, guys, sorry about the bad lighting, but you know, let's go ahead and try this pasta, guys. Sometimes I like to add this kind of cheese on top of it, on top of the other cheese. I just love cheese. All right, it's gonna be really hot, I think. Oh my God, whoa. So that spinach has onion, sauteed onions with bell peppers. I think it's gonna be good. All right, let's try it out. Wow, that is really good. I especially love the tasting the onions in here. All right, so for dinner tonight, I'm gonna have something simple. I have this coconut shrimp I got from Safeway. I guess it comes with some of this sauce right here. Comes with this sweet chili sauce. We'll try that. I had it before. It was alright. It wasn't my favorite. Trader Joe's coconut shrimp is really good, but this was on sale, so I wanted to try it out. So we'll be steaming some broccoli, and I'm gonna go ahead and bake this potato. It's a kind of a small potato, so probably like 425 degrees for like 45 minutes, I'm thinking. And with a baked potato, how I do it, I just put a little bit of olive oil, salt. So I'll bake the potato for 45 minutes for 400 degrees. All right, guys, here's my shrimp dinner. I'm super excited. Now the package came with this, I think, sweet chili sauce. I'm gonna try it out, see how it tastes. I don't think I've had this before. I just had it plain one time with ketchup. All right, let's try a shrimp and see how it tastes with the sauce. That sauce is pretty spicy, actually. Sauce is all right. I want to see about adding ketchup. I love ketchup, so I think that might be a better choice for me. Yeah, ketchup is much better choice. So I'm going to add that to my plate. Now, after tasting this shrimp, I definitely think the Trader Joe's one is much better. And I talked to my mom a few days ago, and she says she's tried the Costco coconut shrimp, and she says it was amazing. So let me know, guys, what you prefer for coconut shrimp frozen. It was a quick, easy meal. Took no time to make. Made the broccoli and the steamer. Very easy. Great for one person. Or two. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed my dinner recipes I made for the week for myself. After this, I'll include a short dessert I had on Tuesday night. Hope you enjoy these videos. If you have a request for a food you'd like me to try on a What's for Dinner series, let me know. I'm open to trying new recipes. Like I said, there's some foods I don't like, but just let me know. You can give me a message on Instagram, Karebear Eats, or my email, eatwithkaren777@gmail.com, or the messages, or leave me a comment. Thanks for watching, and yeah, now I'll show you a short clip of a dessert I had this week. Alright guys, I thought I would show you a dessert I had on a Tuesday night. It's kind of a small dessert, but you know, it's great for one person. So I got this vanilla ice cream. And so, comes with a little spoon right here, but you know, I have my own spoon, but. So I want to add some of these mixed nuts and also some hot fudge, but I think it's going to overspill. What I'm going to do is put the ice cream in this bowl right here. There we go. So I love putting this hot fudge on ice cream. I put it in the microwave for like a minute and it's nice and hot. So this is a nice touch for simple ice cream. I also got these mixed nuts at Walmart. All right, so that is my little dessert on a Tuesday night. Something really simple and easy to make.